What's up, everyone? DKRACK here. What's up, guys? I'm back with another Angry Grandpa reaction, and this one is the Angry Grandpa Cat Wake-Up Call. Like always, guys, I'll have a link to the original video down below. Let's check out Angry Grandpa Cat Wake-Up Call. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, God. 3:23 in the morning. Oh. Oh, Grandpa's gonna be pissed.
Goddamn, you goddamn cat! Goddamn, I hate that goddamn cat! Goddamn, you beat the motherfucker! Goddamn, piece of motherfucking shit! Goddamn it, I hate them goddamn cats!
Is he standing up on the bed?
I hate them goddamn cats! I hate them! I fucking hate! Whoa! I kill them! Die, you motherfuckers! Die! Meow!
Oh,
Meow!
oh my God.
Here, fucking kitty! What the fuck? Man, goddamn, you know what time it is? I hate them fucking cats! I hate them! Turn this shit off, I break it! Turn this shit off! God damn, I thought it was them cats!
That is very annoying. I would not want to wake up to that. That's annoying.
In the house! Fuck you! I'll show you what's new, motherfucker! I'll show you what the fuck is new! Turn it off! What?
Baby cat.
You one lucky goddamn baby! Turn that motherfucker off!
Alright.
You know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Do you know that I hate fucking cats?
3:25.
Man, goddamn, man, when it
Freaking 3 in the morning.
Please turn them goddamn meow meow meow.
Relax.
I hate cats. Call PETA. Fuck you, bitch. You take them cats and stick off your goddamn vagina spot her ass. Turn on. That's it. Turn them off.
Oh, that's like torture. My gosh, that's loud as hell.
Turn that motherfucker. Man, goddamn, give me a motherfucker. Heart attack.
Wake
here.
up.
Goddamn, man, why you do that?
They're cute.
You know how bad I hate cats.
Dang, that's the old style YouTube. I remember that.
I hate cats more than I hate Obama. And that's going a bit.
Oh my God.
Don't turn that motherfucker back. Cats, I hate cats. Meow.
Oh my God, that's freaking annoying.
That's all them cats do, man.
Go to sleep.
All them goddamn cats do is lay around and go, meow, meow, meow. I hate cats. Take all them goddamn. That's it. Turn it. Stop.
Grandpa's like, okay, Michael, the prank is over. Please stop.
Stop. That's it. Stop.
Oh, Grandpa's about to lose it.
Kill me some goddamn.
Michael's about to get hurt.
You need that motherfucker.
God.
Shut up, bitch. You the goddamn call cause of it all anyway. Bring feeding them goddamn cats outside our motherfucking
Yeah,
house.
Tina giving
Oh, I'm hanging around.
Thanksgiving dinner leftovers to the cats under the trailer.
Well, I hate 'em.
Remember that?
You
Good
feel-
night.
You got goddamn shot. Get out of my way. All I do, goddamn, you feed them. Just feed them. Just feed them. You fucking bitch. Quit feeding them fucking
Oh my
cats.
god.
You understand me?
Shut up and get out of here.
Fuck
Damn.
you. Damn, I can't go back to sleep now.
Oh my god. It's like 3 in the morning and Grandpa's like, I can't go back to sleep. Goddamn cats. Guys, Angry Grandpa cat wake up call. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Peace.